Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use coffee pods with a Cuisinart coffee center coffee maker, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the machine that I'm referring to, and I'm going to show you and tell you how to use coffee pods. It's really easy to do. First and foremost, before you get ready to use your coffee pod, you want to make sure that you have the correct water tank that has been filled up with water. So if you take a look over here on the side, I'll actually lift it up. I'm just going to remove the lid. There's a little handle here. I'm going to lift it up. This is the water tank I'm talking about. This is the one on this side over here. And as you can see, it is on the same side as the actual coffee pod section. So this water tank back here, the one that I just showed you over here, okay, let's put it in properly. There we are. That water tank right there is on the same side as the pod section. So that's the water tank that you have to use for the coffee pods. And make sure you have enough water in there, okay? Also make sure you have a cup ready to go because it's going to come out on this side over here. Once you have the water in the water tank and you have a cup that's ready to go, all that you need is a coffee pod. Now this is a used coffee pod. This was already in here. I already used this, and I took it out just to sort of use for this video tutorial. So obviously you're going to use a new coffee pod, but I'm just putting this one in there just to demonstrate exactly how it works. So basically, once you have everything prepared, you're going to open up the coffee pod section. So I'm just going to pop this open with this little handle up here, this little lever up here. We're going to open it up just like that. You're going to take your coffee pod, you're going to insert it the correct way that it goes, which is really easy to do, just like that. It just rests exactly like that. Then you're going to take this lid and you're going to close it down, just like that. And then once it's closed down, you're going to want to go to your unit over here, and you're going to want to select the pod. So make sure you're on the brew mode. So as you can see right here, I am on the brew mode, which means that, when I'm following through this, I want to be brewing coffee, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit pod, okay? And it gives me the number of ounces, 8 ounces, 10, 12, 4, 6, 8. And you keep going around and around. We're going to go with, let's say we wanted to do 10 ounces, right? I would select however many ounces I want, and then put your cup over here. Obviously, make sure your cup is ready to go. And then I would hit the brew button over here. And when you hit that brew button, it's going to brew the coffee. And obviously timed out. But as you can see, if I go to pod again, it shows 10 ounces. I would hit that button over there. I'm not going to press it because I don't have a cup and it's a used coffee pod and so on and so forth. But that's the button. The brew button is the one that you are going to press in order to do it. So once again, you would hit the pod. You would select your number of ounces, your size, and then you hit that brew button right over there, okay? And that's the button that you would hit to brew the coffee pod. And then that's basically, obviously, when the coffee pod is, finished brewing, you're going to let it cool down, and then you can remove it once it's been cooled down. But yeah, once it's finished brewing, it is going to be pretty hot and pretty warm, so you should leave it and let it sit and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, then you can go ahead and remove it. And actually, there's actually a warning over here. It actually says, warning, very hot liquid, not for use without adult supervision. So you can look at the warning right there, but it doesn't really make a difference in terms of what I'm explaining because the warning's on the unit itself. But it says, warning, very hot liquid, not for use without adult supervision. So yeah, it's telling you that this is hot. You gotta be careful, right? So once you're done brewing the coffee pod, let it cool down significantly until it's very cool, and then you can remove it. Very simple. And if you're making coffee, obviously, always, like I said, always make sure you're being safe when you're making coffee. Always make sure, an adult should be making coffee. That's the best way to think about it. An adult, a responsible adult should be making coffee. That's the idea. But that's basically it. Obviously make sure you're being safe, make sure you're following the instructions, make sure you're following the guidelines that are outlined in the user manual and so on and so forth. But yeah, that's how to use the pod portion of this unit. Really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video, and I do have to apologize. I kind of just burped there a little bit. You probably didn't even hear it, but I am going to say it just because I know I did burp and it made a little sound, so I'm going to say it. Excuse me, okay? Excuse me. I'm sorry, I had dinner not that long ago, and some of it is just causing me to burp, but it's all good. Excuse me, we've got that out of the way. I've excused myself. So now with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, for real this time, here's officially the outro for this specific video. I've said that more than enough, so for real, here is the outro. If you like this video tutorial, tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.